Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Discord on macOS. Open Safari browser. Type Discord on browser search bar. Click Discord. Click Download for macOS. Double-click to open discord.dmg. Simply drag Discord to Application folder. Open Application folder. Open Discord app. Click Open. Discord installed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.